Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best wheel and tire cleaners in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best wheel and tire cleaners that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Sonax 230200-755 pH neutral wheel and tire cleaner. Though it may cause skin and eye irritation, this cleaning solution is actually acid-free and has a pH-neutral formulation, which makes it safe to use on aluminum, alloy, anodized, clear-coated, painted and all other kinds of wheel surfaces. The product is also safe to use on motorcycle wheels as well as custom wheels and is VOC compliant, which makes it very environmentally friendly. When applied, the cleaner first goes on fluorescent green, then changes to red as it loosens the dirt. It is recommended to give it up to 10 minutes before rinsing, and you should re-apply if all the dirt is not removed. That said, this Sonax gel is very effective at removing dirt and brake dust, and is also very effective at getting rid of baked-on brake dust that has been packed on the wheel for some time. However, a cleaning towel is not included for wiping after rinsing, so you should buy one separately. Moving on at number 4. We have the Adams Polishes DWC16 Color Changing Wheel Cleaner. Adams Polishes DWC16 is quite similar to Sonax's cleaner above in that it has a color-changing formula that turns from blue to bright purple, and it literally lets you watch the brake dust bleed out of the rim. The product's formulation is also acid-free and pH-neutral, which makes it safe on factory powder-coated, factory-painted, chrome, alloy and all other types of wheels. On the actual cleaning, apart from cleaning brake dust, the cleaner gets rid of stubborn metallic contamination, as well as salt and water grime. Other features include a thick formula that sticks to the wheel for more effective cleaning and screw-on sprayer that has a long straw for reaching down to the corners of the 16-ounce bottle. However, the cleaner may cause skin irritation and therefore, should be handled with care. At number 3, we have the chemical Guys CLD_203_16 citrus-based wheel and tire cleaner. This wheel and tire cleaner is citrus-based, which makes it slightly acidic, but this gives it the strength required to remove thick and stubborn grime, as well as metallic contamination. The cleaner is actually packaged as a highly concentrated formula that is best for heavy-duty dirt removal and is 35% stronger than other cleaners. With this, it is recommended to dilute it to a 4:1 ratio so as to create the ideal wheel cleaning solution. Additionally, the formula can be diluted further to an 8:1 ratio for light-duty cleaning jobs. This diluted version is much gentler to a wide variety of rims such as polished metal and chrome, and even cleans rubber to a deep black finish. At number 2, we have the Armor All 78011 Triple Action Wheel and Tire Cleaner. This 78011 is a triple action wheel and tire cleaner that is designed to tackle the 3 most common types of stains on wheels, which are brake dust, grease and road grime. These 3 usually get baked on during the hot driving conditions, but they are no match for this product. The cleaner actually has a thickened formulation that sticks to the vertical wheel surface for deeper penetration, then forms an intense foam that is very effective at lifting away most of the stubborn soils and stains. A blanketing agent is also included in this formulation, and it helps to spread the cleaner get into nooks and crannies so as to effectively deal with tough and stubborn dirt. However, the formula is slightly acidic and can only be used on factory and aftermarket coated wheels so as not to get into direct contact with the underlying metal surface. With this, it is also very irritating to the skin and eyes and therefore, should be handled with care. And finally at number 1, we have the CarGuys WCG180Z wheel and tire cleaner. CarGuys WCG180Z stands out as the best quality cleaner because it gets rid of the corrosive road salts, which can damage protective clear coats over the rim and create rust. Additionally, the cleaner also gets rid of winter grime, leaving your wheels and tires sparkling clean. This product is also one of the best chrome wheel cleaners because it has a non-corrosive, acid-free and pH-balanced formulation that is actually safe to use on all kinds of rims, be it aluminum, alloy, painted or clear-coated. Being acid-free also makes it very environmentally friendly. Other than that, the cleaner gel is highly concentrated and this reduces the quantity required for every wash. The thick concentration enables it to cling on wheels and rubber so as to give maximum cleaning power in clearing all the dust, brake powder, iron particles, etc. On the downside, this gel is quite expensive but it can be used on a wide variety of tires, including the white-walled type. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.